Tired of dropped calls and weak signals at home or in your small business? Say hello to the Nikrans LCD-130 amplifier, your simple solution for crystal clear phone calls, even in areas with poor reception. Let's dive into how this little powerhouse can transform your mobile experience. The Nikrans LCD-130 amplifier is designed to boost your phone calls effortlessly. It's easy to install, no technical expertise needed, and rigorously tested to meet the highest standards, with CE and RoHS certifications for your peace of mind. This compact yet powerful device covers up to 130 square meters, making it perfect for apartments, summer houses, garages, or small cafes. It operates on the 900 MHz frequency band, widely used across Europe, Asia, and Africa, and works seamlessly with major carriers like Vodafone, Orange, A1, and SFR. One standout feature is its bright LCD display, which shows all the device's parameters and even guides you through installation. When not in use, the amplifier smartly switches to sleep mode, saving energy while staying ready for action. Plus, its sleek, modern design blends effortlessly into any space. Setting up the Nikrans LCD-130 is a breeze, just 15 to 20 minutes to install the antennas and connect the cables. Once you power it on, within seconds, you'll enjoy a strong, reliable GSM signal across the entire coverage area. This model is an excellent way to improve your mobile communication. You will get better quality phone calls. Smart meters with GSM GPRS modem will also benefit from a better and more stable network with Nikrans LCD-130. Ready to say goodbye to spotty calls? The Nikrans LCD-130 is your ticket to uninterrupted conversations and smoother connections. And here's a sweet deal. Use the coupon code VIDEO at checkout to save €10. Don't wait. Upgrade your communication today. Contact our team of technical experts and ask any questions you're interested in.